Wicked Modder here with a quick Unbrick service proof video for Andy K. Andy, this is the 4 gig Corona console that you sent in for Unbrick. I went ahead and loaded the new NAND file that I created on the USB that you sent your backups on, but we were able to solder in a programmer and get this thing restored for you, no problem. That Ace V2 install in there has actually been booting pretty nicely, so I didn't bother to do any modifications or anything to the glitch chip, but as you can see, it's still providing a pretty nice boot experience, which I guess you're probably used to. Freestyle dash, launch, XEX menu, all that normal stuff I don't go into on an Unbrick, but I did make sure that you had a copy of XEX menu, which you did, and then I updated your dash launch, and when I did that, your default settings, booting yourself into Aurora and all of your games and everything else came back up. So I think it's back right in the condition that you were looking for it. It's on the newest dashboard, 17511 now, and we definitely appreciate your business. We'll get this thing packed up, and it will return ship back out to you Monday, tomorrow. Thanks again.